Hi everyone, what is going on? My name is Jamie Palmer. Welcome to another episode with the Destroyer 8.0. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you how to compound using the Mogwai strategy the proper way. Now the reason why I'm making this video is because I receive a lot of emails from members and subscribers telling me how they compound their account or grow their account. And to be honest with you, what they show me is just pure risky. Because compounding and growing your account, a lot of traders will increase their lot size. They will take multiple trades. So whether they take one, they'll take 2 trades and 3 trades. Some traders even increase their take profit. But whatever it is, an occurring issue that I seem to notice is people do not manage the risk. Now, as traders or investors, whatever you're investing into, stocks, currency pairs, trading, property, business, you always need to control the risk. Now, there's nothing wrong with compounding. There's nothing wrong with trying to grow your account, but ultimately, you've got to always control the risk. Now, making profits in trading is not hard. I would say majority of people or traders can make profits in trading. What they can't do is keep those profits. They can't stay consistent. And that comes down to risk. They're just not controlling their risk. So what I'm going to show you now is how I would compound using the Mogwai strategy with the new 8.0. Now, like I said, compounding itself is risky. What I'm about to show you is risky. But again, what you will notice is I'm controlling the risk. I know how much risk I am taking per trade, okay? And that's the most important part. There's nothing wrong with taking riskier trades or increasing your lot size or whatever, but the main thing is you need to know the risk that you're taking when you take a trade. Now, to do that, I use something called a position size calculator. This allows me to always risk either 1 or 2% of my account. So every time I take a trade, I already know what my risk is and what my reward is when I take a trade. And that's where you need to be as well. Like I said, there's nothing wrong with growing accounts, compounding accounts, but you need to know the risk you are taking when you compound or grow an account. Now, to do this, I'm going to be trading the Mogwai strategy on the 5-minute time frame on Aussie US dollar, and I'm going to be using this simulator here. This simulator basically replicates a live market condition. A lot of traders are going to say, well, it's not quite as accurate as a live market, and I will agree with you, it isn't, but this is as close to a live market condition as you can get. So what I'm basically going to be doing is I'm going to be trading the Mogwai strategy. Okay, so looking for 3 simple rules: MACD overbought or sold, support and resistance, and Mogwai signal. I'm going to enter some trades and I'm going to start to compound and grow that account. Okay, so let's forget the talking. Let's take action and I'll show you how to do it, right? So let me just make myself a little bit shorter because you don't want to be watching me. You want to be watching the charts. I'm going to pop this over like this here. Okay, and I'm just going to press play on my charts. And the first, hold on. First of all, I need to zoom in like this here. Okay, so I'm going to come in all the way out. There we go. So I should be getting, this is a simulator, by the way. I should be getting some, here we go. Right. Okay. So this is, like I said, the Mogwai strategy, and I'm looking for 3 confirmations for me to enter a trade. MACD overbought or sold, support and resistance, and Mogwai arrow. That is all I need to do. Now, like I said, what I'm going to be doing is compounding my account. So first of all is I'm looking for them. Oh, I might get a signal here, actually. Okay, I am. Okay, great. So I like this signal. Let me just see this nice bit of resistance just here. Okay, so again, we've got a nice bit of resistance here. I've got a Mogwai signal. The MACD hasn't crossed over there. So let me just see when that happens. Yeah, I'm going to take a trade here because we've just crossed over on the MACD. What I don't like about this trade is the TCA line hasn't crossed. But watch what I do now. This is the important part. Watch what I do. This is, I just want to show you, take note, where does it show me? Okay, here we go, look, account. So this is a £10,000 account. I'm going to grow this and compound this account now and watch how I do it and take note. So my first trade, I'm going to risk 1% off this account. So I'm going to use a stop loss of 13 pips. So let's just use this position size calculator here. My account currency is Aussie US dollar. No, wait, my currency pair is Aussie US dollar. Okay. Account currency, let's just say it's Great British Pound. My account size is, like I said, 10,000. So that's 100, 1,000, 10,000. And my risk reward ratio, like I said, I'm going to be risking 1% of my account on this trade. My stop loss, what was my stop loss? I think it was 12 pips, wasn't it? Okay, so yeah, no, we'll go with 13 pips. Okay, so 13 pip stop loss. And there you go here. This tells me the lot size I'm risking. I mean, let me say that again. This now tells me the lot size I'm using and how much risk I am taking on this trade. So this means that if I take this trade with a 13 pip stop loss with a 1.06 lot size, I'm going to lose £100. And obviously my take profit is going to be the same, 13 pips. So let's do that now. Okay, so we're going to take a trade, 1.06 with a stop loss of 13 pips. We'll do a take profit of 13 pips. Okay, we're going to take a sell like this. And there we go. Stop loss, take profit. Okay, we're going to press play. Does this trade win? Hopefully it wins. Okay, and okay, there we go. Now watch, take note. See how much I made now? 1.38% of my account. See? This is how you compound and grow an account. You need to know every time you take a trade how much risk you are taking and the reward you're going to take. So just watch now as I grow this account. So first of all, I thought I might get a signal there. Nope. I'm looking for, again, Mogwai signal, MACD overbought or sold, and support and resistance, and we're just going to take a trade. Okay? And you will see how I start to build up this account over. Here we go. There we go. Nice. Okay. So I'm not going to take this trade. In fact, I might take this trade just now. Okay. In fact, no, I'm going to wait for another bar. Let me see what happens. Okay, here we go. So we've crossed over on the MACD like this. So I like this trade. We've got a Mogwai signal. And also, if I just bring this down like this, see this nice bit of resistance here. We got 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, 4 touch. Great. I like this trade. Let's take this trade. We're below that TCA line now, so I'm going to take this trade. So again, stop loss. Okay, look, this is the difference now. Stop loss, I'm going to go with 9 pip stop loss. So again, 9 pip stop loss on this one. Okay, and notice what changes. My lot size. My risk stays the same, and this is the important part. I'm still risking £100 on this trade, but my lot size has changed and my stop loss. So again, 0.54 lots. So I'm going to take a trade now. So 1.554 lots. Stop loss was 9 pips. Take profit is 9 pips. We're going to take a sell. And again, like I said, okay, now hopefully this trade wins. Oh, there we go. Nice. Now look, I'm up 2.76%. Now, take note of this. Remember what I'm doing here. If I'm always risking 1% of my account, it means if I lose the next 2 trades, I'm still up nearly 1%. And this is the important part. If I lose the next 2 trades, okay, I've took 4 trades. 2 win, 2 lose, 50% win ratio, and I'm still up. I'm still making profit. And that's how you build up. That's how you compound account. So let's just carry it on. Okay, let's take a few more trades. Okay, nice little setup just here. Okay, let's take this trade here. So we've got a, let me just want to have a look, see if we've got any resistance. I mean, a bit of support. Yeah, okay, look at that. Nice bit of support just there. See that? 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch. And I'll probably be honest with you, I'd probably enter just here. We're just about to cross over. We're just above that TCA line. Great. I'm going to take this trade again. So stop loss, we'll go with 9 pips. So I'll leave it like this. 9 pip stop loss, 9 pip take profit. There we go. Stop loss, take profit. Does this trade win? Okay, this trade loses. Okay, it is what it is. Look, take note. I'm still up 1.38%. It's great. This is where And this is how you trade. A lot of traders at this point now would probably not set a stop loss, and they would probably be panicking. They would probably be, you know, worrying, oh no, I'm in drawdown. If you use a proper money management and a proper compounding strategy or compounding money management plan like I'm doing, you will build your account up regardless if you get losses. So like I said, I'm still up 1.38%. Okay, so let's find some more trades. Okay, so first of all, I'm looking for, well, this is a downtrend, so I'm not really interested in that. Oh, here we go. We had a signal there. Okay, but I'm not going to take that trade because, look, the MACD's not gone oversold here. So that's no trade for me there. It's no trade. Okay. So we're going to carry on here. Okay. Okay, I think we might. Is it got settled now? I thought we had an arrow there, but we didn't. Oh, in fact, we had an arrow there. Oh, I missed that. Look at that setup there. Look at that double bottom. Look at that setup just there. That is a nice little buy there. Look at that MACD. Oh, I missed that. Oh well. Oh well, it is what it is. You can't take every trade, can you? Right, let's see if I can get you some more setups. Okay, here we go. Pop. There we go. Okay, so let me just see if I've got a resistance there. I think I have. Yeah, okay, there we go. Look, nice little trade. Nice little trade. See that? So support, resistance. Nice. MACD gone oversold. Yes. Where am I going? In fact, I'd enter this trade literally right there. Look at that TCA line. TCA line's crossing over. So again, I'm going to take this trade. Stop loss. Let's go with 12 pips on this one. So 12 pips stop loss. So 12 pips stop loss. And I'm going for 0.15 lots. So 0.15 lots. 0.15. So 1.15. Yes. I keep saying 0.15. It's 1.15. And what was my stop loss? It was 12 pips, wasn't it? So 12 pip stop loss. 12 pip take profit. There we go here. We'll take a sell. There we go. Stop loss take profit. Hopefully this trade wins. Oh, that is frustrating. I'm going to take, in fact, I'm going to take another sell. There we go. I'm going to take another sell just here. Now, this, again, comes to experience. The reason why I'm taking another sell here is because I think, look, we're actually we're still at this resistance area. See here? 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, 4 touch. So we're still actually at this resistance line. So I'm going to take this trade here. Look, again, same again, Mogwai signal, MACD gone oversold. Now, this is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to compound this account. I'm going to increase my lot size. Now, seeing how we break even. Okay, watch this. So I'm going to take a... Let's go with a 12 pip stop loss on this one. So 12 pip stop loss. I'm going to risk 2% of my account now. So 2% like this. And now my lot size is 2.31. So 2.31. So 2.31. That was right, wasn't it? Yeah, 2.31. 12 pip stop loss. There we go. Okay, stop loss take profit. Does this trade win? Yes, nice. There we go. Again, I'm now back up to 2.7%. Let's take some more trades. Okay, so I'm just about to say, was that a setup just there? I think, yeah, hold on. Let me just have a look. I think we've got another setup just here. I think we might have a back-to-back setup. Yeah, you know what? I'm going to take this trade because we've got a support there. We've got a support there. We've got a support there. I'm above that TCA line. Let me just see what happens. Yeah, I'm going to take this trade just there. So again, I'm going to go with a 9 pip stop loss on this one. Let's go with 10 pips. 10 pips, 1% risk. And now, again, look what I'm doing. I'm reducing my lot size back to 1% now. So we're going with a 1.38 lot size. So 1.38 lot size. And I got, what was my stop loss again? 10 pips. So 10 pip stop loss, 10 pip take profit. Okay, We're going to take a buy. There's me stop loss. There's me take profit. Does this trade win? And come on, it might take profit. There we go. Nice. Okay. So now look at it. Now look, I'm up 4.15%. So what I can do now, and this is what you want to start to do, is start to reduce that risk. Okay, I've made profit now. What we're going to do is we're going to risk just the profit only. Okay, rather than risking our initial deposit, our initial trading balance, we're just going to risk the profit. We're going to use that profit now that we've just made to make more profit. So let's do this. Okay, so again, we're going to look for, I'm not going to take this trade. I'm just not going to take that trade at all. Okay, how long has this video been going on for? Okay, 15 minutes. Let's take 2 more trades. Okay, let's take 2 more trades. Okay. So again, here we go. Here. Okay, look at that. Boom. Look at that. Beautiful support. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so where am I going to enter this trade? Here. There we go. We've just turned over. That is literally where I'm going to enter this trade. So we just turned on that TCA line. See how TCA lines turn red? Now watch this. Okay, I'm going to reduce my risk now on this trade. So I'm going to go with a 12 pip stop loss. Okay, 12 pip stop loss. But watch this. I'm going to reduce that risk. I don't think I can actually. Oh, no, I can't. Okay. I'm just going to do it the calculate. I'm just going to actually manually. Where's my phone? I'm going to reduce the risk. I'm going to make this half. So I'm not risking 1% now. I'm going to reduce half of 0.5%. So 1.15 divided by 2 equals 0.7 lot size. So again, 0.57. And my lot size was 12 pips. So 12 pip stop loss, 12 pip take profit. Watch this. So there we go. Here we take a buy. There's me stop loss. There's me take profit. Do we win? Oh, that. There we go. Nice. Now watch this. Okay. If you actually look at my, I'll do one more trade. Let's do one more trade. Okay. And then I will have a recap of what's been done. Okay. So I'll find you one more trade. Oh, here we go. Here we go. That. Okay. Is a take note. So let me just take it back here. Let me just see if we've got a... Oh, I think... I don't think that... You know what? I think, yeah, I would probably say that is a resistance area at the top. So you see the difference here, right? You see how we pop all these Mogwai signals? The only Mogwai signal we want to be taking is when we close below that TCA line like this. You see how we close below the TCA line? The TCA line's turned red. We cross over on the MACD. So I'm going to take this sell here. Again, 10 pip stop loss. What was my stop loss originally? Okay, so let's just change this to 10 pips. Calculate 0.138 lot size now. So I mean 1.38 divide by 2. So 0.69 with a 10 pip stop loss. So 0.69 with a 10 pip stop loss. A 10 pip take profit. We're going to take a sell. There's me stop loss. There's me take profit. And does this trade win? There you go. Trade's nice. Now, what I want you to do now is look at my actual trades and what I've done. So let's look at my history now. Okay, and this is what I want you to take note of as well. So I've took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've took 8 trades. 8 trades, 6 winners, 2 losses. Okay, so 8 trades, 6 wins, 2 losses. Now notice what I've done on this situation. So first trade, I made £137. Second trade, I made £138. Second trade, I lost 138. Second trade, I lost 138. Also, take note, they're the same risk. And this is where you want to be. Second trade, I banked profit. Third trade, I banked profit. No, what was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So sixth trade, I banked profit. And now look what I've done. Started to reduce the risk. So I started off compounding and growing my account using the Mogwai strategy. Okay, once I started making profit, once I'd banked some profit, I started reducing that risk. So initially I had a high risk compounding money management. As soon as I started building that account up and I got some profits behind me, I started reducing that risk and taking a half percentage. Now, this is how you stay consistent. This is how I stay consistent as well. Over time, the more money I make, the risk I reduce. I always try and reduce the risk, because when I do have bad days, bad weeks, bad months, I'm constantly always reducing the risk. Now, the actual profit relatively stays the same. Okay, so you just want to take note of what I'm doing. Is you don't want to if you're going to compound account or grow an account, you don't want to constantly compound, because as quickly as the profits will come, as quickly as the profits will grow. So if you can build up the account big, then park that to the side and then invest the profits only, and that way you just reduce the risk. So what you end up doing is when you do have bad days and you do lose trades, you haven't really actually lost anything. You've only lost the profit you made. You're not actually risking any of your initial capital. You're just risking the profit. So yeah, that's how I trade the Mogwai strategy. That's the compounding plan that I use with that, and that's the Buy and Short 8.0. My name is Jamie Palmer, and thank you for watching.